the limit, take my hand, let's fly. Waves in the distance whisper goodbyes. Feet on the ground, but hearts in the clouds. We'll chase horizons till the sun goes down. Mountains call our names rugged and bold. Trails unbeaten, stories untold. Compass in our pocket, dreams in our eyes. Wanderer souls never compromise. We'll dig our toes in the sand. Each step a story perfectly planned. With open roads and songs to sing, we are boundless, wanderers dream. River runs wild, carving its own way. We'll float along through night and day. Echoes of laughter in canyons grace. Find peace and wonder in every space. Stars above guide our restless hearts. Every journey a brand new start. Tent pitched under moon's soft glow. We'll rest tonight, but tomorrow will go. We'll dig our toes in the sand.